dream authors and their superpower. When I heard first about the Laika, supposedly the spiritual advisors of the Inca, I was very fascinated, because their job was actually not really to advise the Inca kings or rulers or emperors. Their job was actually to dream a new earth into being, a new world that would allow everybody to be together, because community was actually important for the Inca. And so when we come into our superpowers and when we become dream authors, we are not doing this for selfish reasons. We are dreaming with each other, for each other. And it's such a beautiful time to do that right now. And dreaming can be composing. It can be metaphoric. You may not be a musician. You may not write music. You may not just play and improvise music. But composing is actually creating something. All of us can compose. And of course, composing has to do with frequency. So you can choose to put a frequency in there that is loud and low, or you can choose a frequency that is high and light. And we can also weave. You don't need to be a weaver, but weaving means to bring different aspects together. You can also sing. And yes, our voice is very important. So no matter how you choose to sing, it doesn't matter. But your voice, your expression, your sound is actually also very important when we're getting into the power of creativeness. So the power to create, to be that dream author, to be that dream weaver that we have come to be. So creativeness, the power to create. What is it that you want to create today? What is it that truly matters for you and the community? Superpower is about being sovereign, but doing it for a community and for yourself. It's a natural gift, it's a natural light that you have come to be. So let me give you a little bit of sound to connect to your dream author, the dream weaver that you are, and that superpower of creating, creativeness. And here the dragons want to come in and connect you to this superpower. Chambaret korundarim dakandandari marura karare durakam darishindarim darikia manodara barundarishindaria boa daduro karandi indaro gundabitindai daprunda heno manane opwashtare mano hikamara hundarishita rashita rashihi manaye kanti morarinda rinda rinda rundara kishamitara matakora ke amea So dream authors and dream weavers who are daring to dream and daring to embrace their superpower. How do you feel about your creativeness, the power to create now? Let me know in the comments.